What if I told you you get a free gift when you land in Thailand? Also, you get a chance to win 10 lakh Thai baht, that is 26 lakh Indian rupees. Now, how is this possible? What is the new rules? What is the set of process? And what is that you have to do as an Indian passport holder? I'll explain everything in this video. So please watch this video till the end. I'm not going to ask for subscribers. No introduction, nothing guys. Let me dive in straight to the video and I'll be explaining to you guys in simple 4 steps only. Step number 1, this offer is from November 1st to December 15th. Now, what is this offer? Amazing Thailand is back basically, and Tourism Authority of Thailand have started an Amazing Thailand campaign, which was also there in 2024, but now it's absolutely exclusive to every single tourist who lands in Thailand. So step number 1, this is between November 1st to December 15th. So if you are landing in Thailand, the next 3 steps will really help you a lot. Step number 2, produce your TDAC once you're at the immigration. Now, when you're at the immigration, 3 airports guys, this offer is particularly at 3 airports: Suvarnabhumi Airport, Don Mang Airport and Phuket International Airport. 3 airports only. So when you land in immigration, as usual, produce your TDAC. If you don't know how to fill TDAC, or if you don't even know what the hell is TDAC, please do watch this video. You will get all the information and you can get your TDAC in 4 to 5 minutes. I've kept it so simple. I've seen other YouTuber videos guys, TDAC is gone up to 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to make such a long video. This video is just 5 minutes. You can watch it and fill up your TDAC. Point number 2 done. Point number 3, once you clear the immigration, you have to find this Amazing Thailand booth in 3 airports. Whether you land in Suvarnabhumi Airport, or whether you land in Phuket International Airport or Don Mang Airport, once you clear the immigration, you will have to locate this Amazing Thailand passport booth. Basically, it's a booth where they're going to give you free vouchers. Now, after you reach the booth, all you have to do is submit your Indian passport. So once you submit your Indian passport, you will get an amazing bag. Now, what is there in this amazing bag? The first goodie, which is absolutely free of cost and which is for everyone, is this handmade souvenir which says what are the 5 best things to do in Thailand. That is compulsory for everyone. And the second thing is, you can participate in a lucky draw and win up to 26 lakh Indian rupees by scanning a QR code present at the counter, which they will give you, which is part of the Amazing Thailand bag. Or if you're flying in a certain airlines, this QR code might already be there in your ticket. So do not forget to do this. And also, you will get more and more discount coupons subjected to terms and conditions, which will be there in the Amazing bag. Now, this is eligible to all Indian passport holders. Nothing, no discrimination here because you're an Indian or because you're from so and so passport. Nothing guys. Every tourist who is going, every Indian traveler or Indian passport holder who is landing in Thailand is eligible for this Amazing bag goodies in Thailand. Now, November 1st to December 15th, you might feel is a very short window, but this is really good guys. Now, giving away freebies during the high season not only attracts tourism, but also shows the country they care about their tourism. Now, this has happened a lot these days, and recently, as you know guys, in Singapore airport, when people were waiting for their bag, free water bottle, free Milo and free chocolates were given when you're waiting for baggage. Now, this clearly shows that they do care about their tourism and they do respect their tourists. Now, Thailand tourism is down by 7.6%. It's lowest ever compared to what it was there in 2024 or compared to what it was there pre-COVID era. So Thailand is really suffering from lack of tourism because of many factors. Recently there was an issue with Cambodia in the border issues, and also there has been there was a physical calamity, that there was earthquake which was hit Thailand, unfortunate circumstances. So Thailand has been through a lot of stuff, and tourism has reduced in Thailand by 7.6%, which is a huge number considering Thailand solely and hugely depends on tourism. So this amazing bag, that is Amazing Thailand by Tourism Authority of Thailand, the new government, the new regime has started this. Kudos to the government, kudos to the Thailand government. This is a great initiative, especially giving away freebies to all the tourists, including all the Indian passport holders, is a great news. for Indian travelers itself. So guys, when you go anytime between November 1st to December 15th, do not miss out on this amazing Thailand goodie bag. Basically, there's going to be a lot of rush, guys. Trust me on this. When every traveler is eligible for this, every traveler would want that particular amazing bag, which would qualify you or eligible for you as a tourist to win 26 lakh Indian rupees. That is 10 lakh Thai baht. So I hope this video was very, very useful information to you guys. So if you are not going to Thailand between this period like me, no problem, guys. If your family or your friends or your colleagues in office or your schoolmates, college mates or cult mates, whoever it may be, forward this video to them so it really helps them a lot and they can collect these free goodies. Do not miss out on this, guys. These kind of bumper offers come very, very rarely. Freebies, especially in country like Thailand, comes very, very rarely, and do not miss out and just grab this opportunity. I hope this video was very, very informative. All the links related to with this will be in the description below. I'll catch you guys in my next video.